This is Practical 5, Section 3, Chemical Test for Biomolecules. So in this, for this question, we want you to fill this table. So there are 5 tests: Benedict test, iodine test, BIO100 test, and ninhydrin and Sakuji. So Benedict test to identify reducing sugar, glucose, iodine test to find starch, BIO100 test to find the polypeptides, protein, ninhydrin to find the proline, which is one of the amino acid. So if you have glycine or arginine, they are going to be the same color. That's why you perform Sakuji. Please read the description of each test, how you're supposed to work in the lab with your unknown sample, which can be the component sample 1 and 2 with the combination of these components. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate shortly how the Benedict test positive results look like. So it's going to be the orangish color if your unknown sample is include of sugar, so the participate of the copper you are going to see, and it's like a orange color. And if it comes to be blue color, that is referred to negative result. It means that your sample doesn't have glucose. If after working with the iodine test your sample become blue, unknown sample become blue, that after adding the iodine, that means that your sample is include of the starch. If after adding iodine it remain yellow, that means that your sample doesn't have a starch. With the BIO100 test, according to the procedure, if your unknown sample become purple, that means that your sample is include of the protein. If it become light blue, that means that your sample doesn't have any protein. With the ninhydrin, if your sample is include of the amino acid proline, that is going to be changed to yellow. But if you have glycine or arginine in your sample, they both are going to be blue. To be sure whether you have glycine or arginine, you are going to perform Sakuji test. So again, read the description of all of these tests. So in case if you have after Sakuji test, if you have arginine in your sample, that red color is the sign of the arginine. So by doing these 5 tests in the lab, you should be able to find whether your unknown sample is include of the reducing sugar, glucose, iodine, starch, or whether your sample is include of protein, or does it have any amino acid, what amino acid, if it's, and then with the Sakuji you can confirm the again amino acid arginine. That is what you need to do for your section 3 in your practical practical 5. I will give you an example, and I want you to find out what is your sample is contained of.